guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have this perfectly square little box. It is adorable, and can you guess what is inside this box? Because I'm telling you what I ordered, this is probably an exactly perfect fit. So take a guess. Leave it in the description, or I leave the description. You guys leave it in the comments down below and let me know what your guess is before I open it. I bet you can at least guess the item it is, even if you can't guess exactly which one it is. Whew, that tape is strong. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, lots of paper. What is it? It's a fat quarter bundle. That seriously was the perfect exact size for that box. Okay. It looks like she sent me a little note, says, "Thank you so much for your order." Now, this is the second time that I've ordered from this Etsy shop. It is Sewing Delights fabric, and she is a delight. She is very sweet. On my order, she taped a sticker on here for me. So let me try to pull this off without ripping the sticker. It says, "Quilting is cool." I love it. I need to find the perfect place to put that. And it's pink and yellow. All right, so this is the American Beauty Fat Quarter Bundle. I'm going to open it up so you can see everything. Now, when I ordered from her, I did let her know that I was going to unbox this, which I always do for different shops. I let them know ahead of time that I'm going to be unboxing it on my Etsy shop, or their Etsy shop. I'm going to be unboxing these on my YouTube channel. And I asked them if they want a link to the video when I finish, because I think that's just, courteous to do, to let them know that there is a video out there if they'd like to look at it. And then they can also share it with their customers if there's something they kind of want an idea of what a certain product is going to look like. Well, when I contacted her and I told her, I just put it as a note at the end of my order. So she let me know that this was her last bundle of this. She does not have any more. She's trying to get more. And she is going to be getting together some, I think she said 1 yard bundles of different mixes from this line. And she's going to be putting those in her shop. I do not have that. I don't think she has those up yet. She's waiting for that fabric to come in, and then she's going to put it up there as soon as it does. So bear that in mind. And if you are interested in some of these, as I, kind of mark them down as I go through and get an idea of which ones you like, and maybe there will be a little bundle of some of the different ones you like. And you could probably even contact her and ask her to put certain ones together for you. She's very sweet, and I'm sure she'd probably be willing to try to work with you if she can. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Now, what else? Oh yes, she also said that she was going to make up a discount code for you guys. She was excited that I was going to be unboxing another bundle from her on my channel, and she offered to make a discount code for you guys. So I do not have that from her yet, but I will by the time that I am posting this video. So I will put that down in the description box below. Oh, it's beautiful. I love these. Ooh, look at this. Look at that plaid. Oh my gosh. Now that discount code should work on everything, I believe, in her shop. So not just the 1-yard bundles that she's putting together of these. These are so pretty. They really, really are. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to need to figure out some kind of a quilt to put these together into. The great thing is with these great big, fat quarter bundles. Oh my gosh, words are hard. These great big fat quarter bundles like this is that you really end up with extra fabric. So you have enough here that you could probably easily make 2 quilts, depending on what the pattern is. I mean, obviously, this is so pretty. I love this. Wow. Depending on what the pattern is, because some patterns obviously call for a lot more fabric than others. But you could get 2 quilts out of this if you had patterns that weren't complete fabric hogs, because there is a lot of fabric in this bundle. There's another one like that. This is so cool. It looks like embroidery to me, but like embroidery that's on an old Western shirt or something. It's so pretty. I think I also like a lot of these because, I don't know, some of them remind me of, not this one, but some of them remind me of like the shirts that my great uncle used to wear. They just had like patterns like this on them. I think usually maybe a little bit smaller of a print, but it looked something like this. And then they had those little pearlized snap buttons on them. Those were always, every time I see shirts like that, I think of him, because that was like his signature shirt that he wore. They had to have those little pearlized snap buttons on them. So funny, the things that you remember. That was a long time ago. Wow. I love plaids. If you guys haven't figured it out, I adore plaids. I always have, ever since I was a little girl. I just love plaids so much. And there we go. There is our gorgeous bundle that is, what is it called? American Beauty. It is. It is a beauty. I love it. It's like patriotic, but also kind of Western feeling too. It's a really cool combination. I like it. And I like the colors. We've got these kind of ashy grays, or ashy blues, I guess I should say. Not grays. They're grayish blues. The whites, these deeper blues. They're not quite navy. They're lighter than that. And our reds. Just absolutely lovely. I love it. Make sure you check her out. I will link her down in the description box below, and I will put the discount code that she gives me down below as well. So tell her I said hi, or don't. I mean, I'm sure the discount code she'll know where you came from. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye.